But at first, we head to North Nashville, where leaders from different walks of life gathered for one reason: to stop violence. You know, violence is often met with even more violence, but what the solution is, maybe something completely different. A new approach in Nashville is focusing on prevention, not punishment, and it's already making a big impact by bringing police and health leaders and community groups together. North Nashville reporter Aaron Cantrell spoke with leaders and shows us how this works.
They will get you into programs that will help you choose that different path.
Captain Anthony Brooks says MNPD is trying something different.
We're trying to reduce violence in a way that the city hasn't really seen before as a police department.
Brooks says this mission is about changing lives and impacting communities without it always ending in a jail cell.
So we want to reach out to them in a predictive model to maybe, hopefully, prevent that from happening.
That message is at the core of the Group Violence Intervention Program, launched several years ago in the mayor's office. It's a partnership between the health department, police, and the Urban League of Middle Tennessee.
The police, they look at individuals that might have been impacted by gun violence or some type of violence, and they vet those people to us, and then we go out and deliver a custom message to those individuals to wrap services around them to help them.
Hancock says those services, like job training and mental health support, are designed to steer people away from crime.
And in those messages that we've delivered, in about roughly 87% of those interactions, they've not reoffended. They have stayed off our radar, which is a good thing.
That success was highlighted at the program's first ever conference, bringing leaders together to focus on strategy and impact.
It's bringing all of the partners together to talk about the strategies and the impact that we know that the program is having.
Leaders say the goal is simple: break the cycle, because they believe communities can't keep meeting violence with violence.
If we can come in with some education, some job training, things like that, and let them see that maybe there is another path, that we can hopefully start reducing those acts of violence in the community.
I'm your North Nashville reporter, Aaron Cantrell, News Channel 5.
And police say when they contact someone through this program, it's not random. Data shows that person has either been involved in violence or is at risk of becoming part of it. Aaron is dedicated to learning more about North Nashville. If you want to share your story or an idea with him, just send him an email.